Today I'll be having famous Vietnamese bread bánh mì. Let's go. I think the same, the mixed one.
Okay.
Chicken curry. Yeah.
Okay.
I can make a video, right?
Okay. Đâu 25.
Phải chỗ này hả?
Here traditional Vietnamese bread.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want spicy?
Oh, it's spicy, okay.
It's got my signature store.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my mom cook everything.
Wow.
Yeah, Cecil style and yeah.
That's really nice, man.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
So guys, मैं ये bread लेके आ चुका हूँ. You know, bánh mì is originally from Saigon, the south of Vietnam, which we also call Ho Chi Minh City. So if you're coming to Vietnam and want to try bánh mì, you should try in Saigon only. You know, it's like from outside it's super crunchy. Inside they put some sauce and they have some meats and like pork or something and chili and some veggies. You know, all together it looks so good. And I can say Saigon bánh mì is much better than Hanoi. Look at that, man.